Chapter number 4, the forces, exercise question number 1. The gravitational force acting on a particle of 1 gram due to a similar particle is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 17 newtons. Calculate the separation between the particles. To answer this question, one important law we have to know. What is that law? That is Newton's law of universal gravitation. Newton's law of universal gravitation. Let us consider two particles, that is m1 and m2. Those are separating with some particular distance r. According to Newton's law of universal gravitation, every particle in the universe attracts the other particle with some force that is directly proportional to their product of their masses. So F directly proportional to m1 into m2 and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between those two. That is F inversely proportional to 1 by, that is r square. And whatever the force which is acting by one particle on the other, that must be acting along the line joining between them. This is. Suppose let us consider this is the particle 1, this is the particle 2. So how much amount of force which is acting by particle 1 on the 2, which is equal to the force which is acting by particle 2 on 1. That means the force acting by the particle 1 on 2, which is equal to the force acting by particle 2 on 1. This is very, very important. So from 1 and 2, F directly proportional to m1 m2 by r square. By removing the proportionality constant, we are using one constant, that is F is equal to capital G m1 m2 by r square. But what is G here? That G is known as the universal gravitation constant. That value is capital G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square kg to the power of minus 2. This is the value for capital G. Now to answer this question, what are the given values? That is two particles of masses. One particle mass 1 gram, other one is 1 gram. I converted into kilograms. Then the attraction between, the force of attraction between these two, that is F is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 17 newtons. Now which one we want to calculate? Here masses they gave and force also they gave, but which one is not given? R is not given. We want to calculate R, the distance we want to calculate. Now I will take the formula, that is capital F is equal to capital G m1 m2 divided by r square. Now I am substituting the values. So first one 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 17 is equal to capital G value 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 into m1 and m2 both are equal, no? So that's why 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 whole square divided by r square. Now, what are the cancellations on LHS and RHS? 6.67 and 6.67 gets cancelled. Now, r square will come this side. R square is equal to remaining 10 to the power of minus 11 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 2 minus 6 divided by remaining is 10 to the power of minus 17. So here r square is equal to 10 to the power of minus 17 divided by 10 to the power of minus 17. Now here these two gets cancelled. So what is the remaining here? R square is equal to 1. So here r is equal to square root over 1. So r is equal to 1 meter. So the distance between the two particles is 1 meter, and this is the solution for question number 1.